This is that 8kg sleeper breech Longshot. Still stock tube. So nothing special. Still stock plunger rod, plunger head as well. It's 8 kgs, and I was showing a video before of it doing 250s, 260s. Kind of want to prove that point again. This is nothing crazy. I'm going to prime it with just 2 fingers on the bolt. That's all it takes. I'm going to take that another cut down lead, pop into the breech, close it, grab my chronograph. It's clear. We're going to pop it in there. 248. Let's grab again, I'm going to use this to prime it. I'm going to grab a green Dart Zone Pro. Those waffles. 248, I haven't changed anything. Pop this into there. 208. Let's grab Adventure Force Pro. Close it again. Geez, I hit everything but the chronograph. But it was 136 there. Let's see if I have another one of those somewhere. Does this work? Yeah, that'll work. Let's make sure I don't, I think this will work. Make sure I don't hit everything. There we go. Weird. Doesn't seem to like those. I was doing 166 with those pros. Or, excuse me, or those pros could potentially just be bad now. A lot of these darts I've been shooting and testing with 300 Longshot. And let's see what this is an ACC V3, I believe. 222 ACC V3. What else do I got around here? Oh, I've got a jet dart. Jet dart with the PAC-D style. Not a real PAC-D head. Doesn't have the same consistency, weight, balance, everything. It looks like it, but it's not the same. And let's give this a try. 181. Did not like that. Let's try something else. What else do I got here that's not broken? Worker. Is this worker broken? I don't think it's broken. Oh, it looks re-glued though. Let's give it a try. A re-glued worker head. Doesn't have that gap in there, I can tell it's re-glued. .210. This is an 8 kg brass-breeched Longshot. Oops, wrong way. Still got the stock plunger tube in there. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm priming this, as you saw, with 2 fingers. That's it. I'm even going to deprime it with 2 fingers. That's it. It's doing 260s, 250s, 260s with elite darts. What was that? 210s with workers. 220s with pro Dart Zone Pros, the green ones. Doesn't seem to like the black foam. Yeah. There it is. Brass breech, guys.